Hello and welcome to Work Smart Essentials. In this video, we're gonna cover the AND function and the text join function and see how they are useful. So before we start, please subscribe my channel, like the video and do comment your queries and the feedbacks. So let's quickly jump in. Let's check what data do we have here. Okay, we have the first name and the last name available and we have to write the full name. There are two ways of doing it, using the AND function and using the text join function. So let's quickly jump in and see how both of these work. So first we will see how the AND function works. Okay, so now press equal to, first select the first name. Okay, then press AND function. Okay, double quote space double quote to put in the space between the first and the last name. Then once again AND function and the last name. So that's it. That's how we write the formulas. Let's see what the result should be. The result should be Rakesh space Sharma. So let's see if we are getting this. Okay, enter. So yeah, here you see Rakesh Sharma, in the next Sandeep Verma, Pooja Shah, and everything. The first and the last name have a space between them. Okay, now using the AND function, one more variation I can do is, see, if suppose I have to put a initial of A between them. So what I will do is put here A dot and space on the both sides. So assuming all these people have the A initial, see how the A initial would be added between the name. See, Rakesh A Sharma, Sandeep A Verma, Pooja A Shah. So see, this is functioning, right? Next, I hope this is clear. And now we will see how the text join function works. Because if, just assuming, if there are so many of the cells that we need to join, then the AND function would end up being a very large formula. So see how the text join function works and keep our formula smaller. Equal to text join. Okay, delimiter. What is a delimiter? Delimiter is something that will be used to separate the cells. Okay, so I want to separate it using a space, so I'll put this between the double quote, right? Next, comma. It is asking if we want to ignore the empty cells or do we want to include the empty cells. So for now I will ignore the empty cells. Next, comma. What all text do we want to add? So we want to add this first name, comma, last name. So in this way we can add a lot of such cells and very easily we can do it, any number of cells, and all of these cells will be divided with a delimiter that we have added in the starting of the formula. So let's see what is the result that we are getting with this. Enter. See, Rakesh Sharma, Sandeep Verma, everything comes up perfectly. So I hope you are clear with both of these functions. Please let me know which function out of these two would you find feasible, and do like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.